it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make beef congee, and these are the ingredients you need. I have 2 scallions, 1 egg, 1 cup of rice, 1/4 pound of minced beef, cornstarch, light soy, sesame oil, and water. I'm going to rinse the rice. I'll rinse this a few times. The first time is very cloudy, so rinse it until it's all clean, the water. Okay, the rice is all washed and rinsed. Now I'm going to add in 9 cups of water. 1 cup of rice, same cup. So 9 cups of the same cup water. Okay, all my 9 cups of water has been in the pot now. Now I'm going to turn in the heat. I'm using high heat and cook it till boil. Wash the green onions. This one can be for garnish, and this one I'm going to use it here. Now we are going to marinate the beef. 2 tablespoons of light soy, 1/2 teaspoon cornstarch, tablespoon of water. It will make it easier to mix. 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil now. Mix it well and set aside. It's boiling. I can see big steam coming out. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of oil, about this much. And just stir it again. Make sure nothing sticks. I am going to turn down the heat to medium-high and just let it boil for 15 minutes. And no cover, otherwise it will spill. Okay, it's been 15 minutes boiling, and now we can shut off the heat and let it stand for ½ hour. The congee has been sitting without the stove on for ½ hour. This is the texture. It's not quite the texture I want. I'm going to turn back the heat to high and make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. Okay, I think the congee is boiling now. Yeah, it is. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. And now I'm going to turn off the heat. Cover it back and wait for 10 more minutes. Okay, 10 minutes has gone by. I'm going to turn back the heat to high for now. It's not boiling yet, but the rice texture is the texture that I want. I find it a little thick, or if you like this thick congee, just put in the meat. But for myself, I find it a little thick, so I'm going to add in a little bit of water until the texture that I want. And now, since it's boiling, turn down the heat and then add in the meat. All my meat has been added in. So just wait until it's boiled. Nothing sticks to the bottom. And now I'm going to add in the egg. It's boiling. So just add in the egg. After that, you just continue stirring. Be careful though. Once the egg is cooked, then it's ready. The egg has been cooked. Shut off the stove. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.